welcome to the stage, Julian Believe.
Somebody say
If you represent for Caribbean culture right now, put your hand in there, put your hand in there. See, tonight is all about unity tonight, you know. It ain't this one over here or that one over there. Say. Somebody say now. Say. Oh, y'all sound good. You sound good. Let me hear y'all say it again. One love. One. Thanks. Level, hold on. I need y'all to do us a solid. All them talents that was performing tonight, all of them that was singing, make some noise for them right now for me. See, I could have sit to the back of the stage and appreciate the music. It's all about collaboration. It's all about the unity. And if you know this one, I need you to sing with me one time. Don't worry about a thing. Somebody say. Oh, y'all sound so good. Say. Don't worry about a thing. Oh, yeah. Because let me see if they know the words. Let me see if they know the words. Rise up this morning. Level it. Oh, yeah. Three little sit by my doorstep, singing sweet song, a melody pure and true. Everyone in the crowd, from the front to the back, left to the right. Let me hear y'all singing. 1, 2, 3, singing about a thing. Because, oh yeah, no. Let me take them to the bush right quick. Let me take them to the bush. If you love the Bahamas and you love the 242, say, oh yeah. Let's go to the bush. Oh yeah. If you know this one right now, start to bounce. Everybody bounce. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Back that bumper on me now. Jump start the party, make me proud. Tell you shake it up and only cause it's yours. Hey, where you learn to wind your waist, girl, man, your shape's alright to make my day. And your sexiness deserves an applause. I know why you came to this place. You're breathing, so celebrate. You might as well demonstrate. Hey, if they screaming out sac passe, hear them say, I need y'all to sing with me. Put your hands in the air right now. I wanna jump start the party, cause y'all sound good. Start the bounce. Everybody bounce. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, dingle, ding dingo, dingle, ding dingo, dingle, ding dingo. Hey, dingle, ding dingo, dingle, ding dingo, dingle, ding dingo. Reach the house. What y'all doing? Oh, somebody say, hey. Everyone put your hand in the air right now. Hey, reach down. Hey, reach the house. Reach the house. Reach the house. Listen, let me tell you all a story. I gone at a bar, trying to catch a vibe. Met a pretty young thing, you should have seen them thighs. She start feeling up on me, my temperature rise. You think you can handle it, girl? Then meet me outside. She hop in my car. You know what she do? She hop in my car. Hey, she hop in my car, I carry her home. Hey, next tune. See, we gotta keep it going. Oh, hold on. Don't let her like that. Somebody say PLP. Say PLP. If you love Brave Davis, make some noise right now. Run that tune. Let's go, y'all. Listen. It's all about the culture. You see. Hey, when midnight shut the country down, but we. People, are you ready? See, this is the part of the show where you gotta bounce. Why you saying? I gotta get in the crowd for this one. You see? With bread. Hey, hey, hey. When midnight shut the country down, brave them turn the thing around. The UBB try to take our rights up. The PLP put up a fight, and I know history repeats sometimes. Bang and snow. If you know this part, say with me. We do it for the culture. The rest of them say, you see, with bread. But all of us is equal. We Brahminian. You see, with bread. Let's go to the next side. Say, oh, what a party tonight. A PLP party tonight. Blue and gold, that's what we like. We about to, let me tell you something. From pink to praise and Perry too, none of them forget their roots. It's never easy, but they try. Hey, what can I know? Say PLP, say PLP, say PLP. Hey, we do it for the culture. The rest of them say, we say it with bread. But all of us is equal. We proper Indian people, we brave.
Yes, yes.
Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, a PLP. Oh, y'all sound good. Listen. Oh, they scared, they scared. Hey. Somebody sing it again. Oh, they scared. Put your flag in the air. Put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Wave it to the right. Wave it to the right. Wave it to the left. And wave it to the right. Double turn. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Julian Believe. Level. Tonight, it's all about unity. Whether you're from Jamaica, whether you're from Haiti, whether you're from the Bahamas, it's all love tonight. One love, Bahamas, Haiti, congratulations. It's a pleasure to celebrate y'all. We got nothing but love for y'all. I know I got nothing but love for y'all. The party continues. Y'all do us a favor. Make some noise for all the people that helped to put this event together tonight.
Yeah, yeah.
Make some noise for Lumi Georges and his entire team right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank y'all very much.
Nous voyons que son mariage qui est là entre deux nations, yo. Haïti et puis Bahamas, nous avons fait drapeau pays nous Haïti, ici, dans Bahamas.